So we tried to get to North River Falls coming from the Highland System Inn, and that was where we couldn't get the V-Strom over the lack of bridge. If we had had these bikes, we could have just carried them over, but the V-Strom was just not happening. So anyways, we're gonna try it from this direction and see how it goes. Yeah, this is a little rocky, but it's not bad. A lot of first gear type stuff through here, but oh, you'll be fine. Wow, this is some pretty wild trail. This is nice. This is great. Yeah, you'd have a hard time on an adventure bike with 50/50 tires. I bet the V-Strom would tackle this fine. Modified the way it is. And this wouldn't be so bad if I wasn't on shit tires. I'm sure the camera's not capturing just how steep this is. Yeah, I threw it up into third once, but second really is where it's at.
Oh man, it's a beautiful trail, dude. I mean, other than the rocks.
Other than the big rim destroying rocks, she's good.
My front's getting deflected pretty good, but she's rolling. She keeps going.
Yeah. I feel ya. It's just throwing me wherever it wants. Wow, this is a really, really steep climb.
My forearms are getting a friggin' workout, I'll tell you that.
I'm still tractor in a second. Whew! Oh, my ears just popped. We gained that much altitude. Wow. Whew. How's my camera doing? Almost out of juice. I think that's good enough that they get the idea of what's going on. Right. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be something cool. Wow. Don't fall down. Oh, man. Wow. I wonder where Mr. Stacy ended up. Baby.
Alright, I'm rolling the camera just in case anybody wants to come out to the falls. We have a little footage of this trail. So this is the, well, Colin will put it in a card somewhere. It's some falls, I can't remember which one. Guinea pig, macacaron.
No. You make it, Jeff?
Yeah, I went a different route.
You know what? I'd bet the right side will be fine. Actually, it wasn't bad at all. Look, you could even camp here if you wanted. Oh, look, a campsite right there. Just putting a marker down. And done. Very good, very good.
I got that one on film.
That makes me sad. Twice in one day. Twice in like an hour. Idiot. Idiot. Oh. This looks like turn around and go home.
That's a lot of mud, buddy. Somebody went all the way around out here.
That's probably the way to go.
All right, well, I'll try this one. Oh, dude. It's deep rutted four-wheeler shit.
Because this is an old bridge. We could totally get through this. Oh yeah, it's a little deep in spots, but it's a primarily hard bottom. But here's the honest to God truth. No one's gonna want to do this.
We got a lot of ground to cover.
Right? Yeah, so why don't we just spin around now and call this done, this trail.
We could just chop this up to hay. In better weather, maybe it's passable, maybe it's not. And no one's gonna bring an adventure bike in here, that's for sure.